Now, one of the things I hope you can tell me is, which sunglasses do you like better? These ones? Or these ones? I feel stupid carrying two of them on my hat, but it's just the way it is. So, you leave me a comment while I play the intro, okay? Be right back. Well, we are out for a Sunday drive and looking for some place to take in a hike or something. It's pretty crowded. It's one of the first really nice weekends. It's about probably 85 to 90. Of course, we're in the mountains now. It's probably down around 80, but it's just beautiful. Clear skies, little clouds here and there, but we're on a dirt road. The Google took me over the mountains and through the woods instead of following the main roads that I really wanted, because I didn't really tell it where I wanted to go. But anyways, we're going to be someplace good in a little while, I hope. It's we got a late start. It's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and there's people everywhere. Falls, and then there's a lower falls, neither of which are upper or lower than the other on this trail. So let's see what we can do. We have a little problem here in that we don't have any batteries for the camera except the one that's in it. We've got 2 dead ones that I found in the car. Guess I haven't been very good getting prepared for the next trip, which usually I'm pretty good at. This is a nice trail, kind of rugged, but not too bad. Right next to the highway here. There's some big rocks though. This section is pretty steep. I'm glad I'm not coming up it, though. Guess I might have to, won't I? Maybe I can get Akila to pull me up. I forgot my hiking boots too, but I forget them most of the times, unless I think it's going to be muddy and rainy. Well, we went to the upper falls and it was fairly crowded. We chased away a whole bunch of people though. When you have a wet dog running around shaking on everybody, they tend to decide it's probably time to go anyways. It's probably 4:30, 5 o'clock. And now we're on the trail to the other falls, which is, this trail's on the far side from the parking lot, so I hope this isn't too jittery. This Hero 9 is pretty good at stabilization, so I'm hoping that that keeps it going good. Well, here's some switchbacks, some great big rocks. Just love big rocks, I don't know why. You notice he doesn't wait or help me. Lucky though, I can follow him by the smell of wet dog. Look at the size of that rock. That is a big rock. Okay, we had to stop for a minute. Not necessarily because I might have had a heart attack and died. My heart was going to explode through my chest, or my legs were just going to turn to jello and go out from under it. But because there's a really nice breeze right here. I think we're almost to the top, since it's like a clearing spot from the road. This is a pretty good hike. I guess I would advise people to hike the lower falls first and then take the connection trail to the upper one, and then take the upper falls out, because I think it's easier. But we haven't really been following the trail very well. We've been cutting off the switchbacks, which makes it a very steep climb indeed. So, all right, back on the climb. Finally, the top, which is really nicely breezy because it's right on the edge of a cliff. And you know what? I'm a complete moron because I left the back end of the car open. Go get in the car. Keela, go get in the car. This is what you call being really stupid. Not only did I not lock up the car, but I left it open. Well, folks, that was a very strenuous hike, but it was a good hike. We got a little exercise. I haven't hiked or gone anywhere except on the Greenway Trail, which is flat as a pancake, for about 4 weeks. And that, you lose a lot of endurance and strength in a small amount of time like that. He keeps bringing me sticks. Look at that. That's just not even... Anyways, so next time you see me out, I'll probably have one pair of sunglasses, not two. You decide which ones I like, the Casey Neistat ones or the regular ones. I'm not sure I really like these because they're kind of mirrored, aren't they? But you decide. Leave me comments. We got camping trips coming up. Next weekend's Memorial Day weekend. We'll probably stay home and clean house. That's what I usually do. We might make an attempt to go to one hike or not. But in any case, stay tuned. We'll be back camping, and I got an Aliner video for you coming up. All right, give me a thumbs up if you like this. Leave a comment. Subscribe if you haven't, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks, folks. Have a great day. Bye-bye.